Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be showing you this really cute fall little insert thing that you can make to put on a scrapbook page or inside of a journal as an insert or directly down on the page. And this is using a die from Kokorosa and Kokorosa Studios, and I will put the link for it down below. But I just thought that this was really pretty. I used paper from Michael's. It's one of the new paper pads, and I will try and link that one down below too. So yeah, this is what we're going to make. This is what the die itself looks like. It's better if you have one of the longer plates for in your Sizzix machine. I have the Sizzix Big Shot, and yeah, it's two pieces. It's this one piece here and then this little insert pocket. It's separate, it's just in the bag together. So I have the papers already cut out. What I'm going to be using here are all, I pulled in some ephemera pieces that I cut from the paper, and here's the pocket. These are some papers that I pre-cut already to they're a little bit smaller than the sections, so I just this is perfect to use with scraps of paper that you have. But here is the base piece, and when you die it, it makes score lines, so that all you have to do is fold them at the score line. So that's what we're going to do here. Score it, and then this one gets folded at this point like that. So now here is just a nice base. You can make this into a card, so this could be ready to go into a card. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. I made a pocket here so that you can stick this. This could be your sentiment. You can also stick a gift card in that spot, and then you could totally just leave this. Just put a piece of paper in here and write your sentiment in there. I also made this a little pocket, so I stuck a couple pieces of ephemera in there, or you can make one big tag and stick it in there. You can also do something here if you like. I attached my ribbon on the front here so the ribbon stays on, and then you just have to tie the bow on the front. So let's get started here. So the first thing is cut this out with the die, and then I'm going to attach my paper here, and this was I just lined it up on my paper trimmer and just marked it and cut it out just slightly smaller than the little section there. So I'm going to use some tacky glue, put it on the back side. Stick that down there. And then this pocket piece fits perfectly on the front. So I'm just going to put some glue on that. I'm not going to do the front embellishing yet. I'm going to go into the inside here. Put my pieces down. So this piece fits right in here. And then I'll put this piece on the side. Right here. And this will go here. And I'm just going to put glue on 3 edges so I can make it a little side pocket. And I don't have a second piece for this pocket, so I'm going to leave this blank for now, but I did add this little ephemera piece there to make a pocket. And then just have to finish it off with embellishing on the front. So I started by adding my ribbon. This is just some sheer, it's like an avocado green. I think I picked this up at Joann's or Michael's. It's an Eau Frais, Surely Yours. And you just want enough to make a bow so that you're able to unwrap it. So I'm just going to tie a bow here just to make sure. Just like that, and then I'll trim it off. And now I'm going to stick a little bit of, move this down just a tad. I'll stick a little bit of glue right under here, and then this will be covered up. But I want that to stay. And then I'm going to add this flower piece here. I'm just putting glue kind of in the center so that the other pieces of the die cut will kind of be up, so it makes it a little bit dimensional. Then I have another leaf here. Stick that right on top. And then I have this little banner piece that says "Enjoy Fall." So I'm going to put that along the top here. You just don't want to put glue on that very edge because it's not going to be, you won't need the glue there. Alright, so there it is. You could totally add, if you're going to use this as an insert into a journal, you could add another piece on the back, a pocket. If you're sending friend mail, this could be a little insert or just friend mail in itself, and you could just totally fill it up with little ephemera and things like that and stick it in an envelope and send it. So lots of ideas for that that you could do using one of these dies. Also, this is a really easy shape. You could totally cut this out of a piece of paper. It would be pretty easy to make this kind of a shape. So you could take like a screenshot of this if you want and cut it out if you can't afford the dies. I mean, the dies are really reasonable, so I'll link them down below, but I just like to give you inspiration for making anything that is paper crafting. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.